Hey guys, this is Carlton here, and in this video let's do a quick unboxing of the Boat Bassheads 225s, and later I'm going to be giving you my quick review on these earphones. So let's get started.
Here we go.
So let's quickly open this up. So these are the Boat earphones. Yeah, quite good. They come with a lot of earbuds. Open this up. Oops, I dropped. So let's talk about the build quality. The Boat Bassheads 225 comes with a premium metal construction and an attractive appearance. The cable used is flat with rubberized coating and is almost tangle free. It comes with a one button microphone and a L-shaped 3.5mm jack, which is again made up of metal. There are 5 extra pairs of ear tips and a pair of ear hooks. A clip is also included in the box, which is made out of plastic. Overall, the build quality is excellent for its price, and I didn't expect this from a product price this low. So talking about the sound quality of the earphones is pretty good, and that extra kick of bass gives you an amazing experience. I've been testing it for a week, and compared to my Skull Candy earphones, which I had previously, performs almost the same and even better in some cases. The bass is pretty excellent as said, and the trebles and mids are pretty good. So let's hear what they exactly sound. I'll try and play a track or two. So here you go. The noise isolation is pretty decent and totally seals off your ear from the outside noise. In order to achieve this, you should make sure you choose the correct pair of ear tips for better noise isolation and comfort. You may find them popping out every now and then while jogging and running, but this can be fixed by using the ear hooks that come with the earphones. The Boat Bassheads come with 1-year warranty and is priced at $4.99 on Amazon. For almost 2 weeks of use, I feel the Boat Bassheads is a steal for this price, and I would personally recommend them for those bass lovers. So I thank you guys for all your overwhelming support, and please continue to do the same, as it really means a lot to me. If this video and all my other previous videos really help you, please don't forget to share it with your friends. And please do subscribe to my channel. With that being said, Carlton here, signing off. Bye.